Ari na lang si Guapa. Guapa, come here. Sige na, sige na, sige na. There's nothing to worry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have with me one of the most beautiful girls here at Sumag. Taga-Sumag ka, miss? Taga-Sumag ka. Diin ka nga purok.
San Benito.
So zone ano ang ginasuportahan mo, Subong? Nalipat kay?
Zone 4!
Zone 4 ka, miss? Okay. Okay, without biases, wala labot kung ano kang zone. So far, among our 7 lovely candidates, who's your bet?
Number 2.
Number 2! Oh, grabe. So if you're one of the judges, tako kita rin puntos ni candidate number 2. Okay, thank you so much. Say hi to Anayo. Okay. Sa mga young at hearts naman kita, nga ari gidi subong. Ang naka-yellow, kitang gusto ko, pamangkuton. Hello, ma'am. Okay, we are so happy that you are here supporting this kind of event. So, it's your turn nga magpakilala sa tunga. Ma'am, okay? Is it okay with you? Okay, ari si nanay, no? Tita na lang, you're still young. Dito ito makado, okay lang si mga maglakatan sa makadali. Okay, so actually, the ladies are not yet ready, so I'll grab this opportunity nga may makilala diri sa Barangay Sumag. Ma'am, what's your name?
Galvez.
Okay, si Ma'am Galvez. Do you have relatives among the candidates? May parinte ka to? Okay, grabe. Amo na galing. That is the reason why you're here. So, who is your relative among the 7 lovely candidates? Number 1! Ayan. Supporters of candidate number 1, mabuhay kayong lahat. Thank you! And of course, I see ladies with uniform. What? Okay, I remembered. You were the one performed earlier. Okay, so far, may nagtatakong inasakon nga she's a good dancer. Ma'am, come here. Sinabiya si ma'am, it's you. Oh, sinabiya si ma'am. Ma'am! Diba? You know what, kids? If the older ones are participating, dapat ang mga kabataan, the younger ones, should also participate.